Alright, today's Saturday, June 27th, 2020. Jack's giant elephant ear. It got a lot bigger in the past week and a half. It's about 3 feet tall now. I'm using my iPad this time instead of my phone to see what the difference in the quality is, but here it is compared to my hand. So that's the biggest leaf so far. It's putting out another one in the center. So yeah, each leaf gets a little bit bigger every time. There's the base of it. This thing's doing good this year. Yep, about 3 feet tall. Saturday, June 27th. Alright, thanks guys for tuning in.